welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Aloo Paratha, which is a potato bread dish commonly eaten in India at breakfast time, although it's delicious any time of day. This appetizing item is calling my name, so let's get started. Let's get into the ingredients. 4 medium peeled boiled potatoes, 2 cups wheat flour, a half a cup red onion, 1 teaspoon serrano pepper. Firstly, let's work on the dough. Take the wheat flour and put it into a large bowl. Add a half a teaspoon of salt and mix around with your hand. Now, start gradually adding in the water to the flour and mix as so. Now that the dough is combined, it's time to start kneading it. If the dough is feeling a little bit dry, add some more water. You don't want the dough to be too dry or too wet, but right in the middle consistency. Keep kneading the dough until it becomes a pliable texture. I'm pressing into the dough to see the bounce back in the dough. Cover and set aside for 20 minutes. Next, it's time to work on the filling. Add potatoes and smash them. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon serrano pepper. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. A half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. Half a teaspoon of Coriander Powder. Half a teaspoon of Cumin Powder. 1 teaspoon Pav Bhaji Masala. Mix well. Add the onions and combine. Dough is ready. Now, start pulling the dough into pieces to make into balls. Take one of the dough balls and using your fist to make a circular indent in the dough. Add the filling. Take both hands and start to work the dough up along the sides. Once the dough has covered all of the filling, now remove excess dough by pinching the top in a circular motion and remove. Ta-da! You have your stuffed dough ball. Let me show you again. Put some wheat flour onto a table and place the dough ball in the wheat flour as well. Brush off excess flour. Using your fingers, start to lightly press on the dough to start flattening it out. Next, start to lightly roll out the dough slowly. Once the dough is rolled out, time to cook it. On medium-high heat, brush some oil on the pan. Place the paratha on it. Check on the underside to make sure it has a crunchy outside before flipping. Add some ghee while the other side is cooking. It will also help to press down on the paratha to make sure the bottom cooks evenly. Add some more ghee. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a well worth dish to try. Also let me know if you would like to see another type of stuffing paratha. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.